Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to transfer money from Binance to a bank account in Peru. This allows you to withdraw your crypto or fiat funds safely to your local bank. Let's get started. First, log into your Binance account. Open the Binance app or website and sign in with your credentials. Next, navigate to the Withdraw section. From the dashboard, select Wallet, then choose Fiat and Spot, and tap Withdraw. Then, select your withdrawal currency. Choose Peruvian Sol, PEN, or the currency you want to transfer, depending on your bank account. After that, enter your bank account details. Provide your account number, bank name, and any other required information accurately. Double-check to avoid mistakes. Next, specify the amount to transfer. Type in the amount you want to send from Binance to your Peruvian bank account and review any applicable fees. Then, confirm and authorize the transfer. Follow any security prompts such as SMS or email verification to approve the withdrawal. Finally, verify your bank account. Check your bank account to ensure the funds have arrived. Processing time may vary from a few minutes to a couple of business days. Quick tips. Always double-check bank details to prevent transfer errors. Be aware of Binance withdrawal limits and fees. Keep a record of the transaction ID for reference. Transferring money from Binance to a bank account in Peru is secure and straightforward when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.